comparable temperature reading was 35 degrees Celsius and it was taken outside where the winter air temperature is 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, yung ating initial temperature is 35. Tapos, yung ating surrounding temperature, theta is 6. Okay? Theta is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. So, yan. Initial temperature time t equal to 0, 35. Ngayon, after 4 minutes daw, or 1:04 p.m., okay, the copper ball was 18 degrees Celsius. Okay? And at 1:09 p.m., the copper ball is taken back indoors where the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. What is the copper ball temperature at 1:15 p.m.? So, kumbaga, nilabas yung copper ball, pinalit sa loob. Okay? So, therefore, pwede siguro tayo mag-mode 3.5 dito. Okay? Sa una. Okay? Kasi, meron tayong dito. May final at saka may initial. Okay? So, kailangan natin dito ng dalawang data. Unahin muna natin yung nilabas. Okay? No 6 degrees Celsius yung ating theta or surrounding temperature. So, x is equal to the time and yung ating y is for your t minus theta. Okay? So, at time t equal to 0, yung ating copper ball is 35 degrees Celsius. So, 35 minus 6. Okay? Next. Okay? At time t equal to 4 minutes, after 4 minutes po, 4 p.m., so the copper ball was 18 degrees Celsius. So, 18 minus 6. Okay? Now, at time t equal to 9 minutes, okay, the copper ball is taken back indoors where the temperature is 35. Pero alamin muna natin kung ano ang temperature ng ating copper ball nung 1:09 or 9 minutes after. Okay? Para alam natin yung initial sa susunod. Okay? So, 9 minutes, ano kaya ang kanya magiging temperature? Okay? So, this is from 1 p.m. to 1:09 p.m. Okay? Yan. So, this is type data lang po, o 3.5. Ayan. So, that is 0. This is 4. And dito sa kabila, 35 minus 6. Then 18 minus 6. Then press AC lang po. Then shift. Start. Regression. Then type pa rin po for Y. Okay. Sige, type natin. So that is shift. Start 1. Okay. Start for 1. Then regression is 5. Then Y hat is 5. Okay. So ang lalagay lang natin is 9Y hat. Okay, 9Y hat is equal to 3.9825. 3.9825. Ayan. Pero yan lang po ay yung T minus theta. Okay? So, kunin natin yung pinaka-actual temperature niya by, okay, equating this to T minus theta wherein theta is 6. So, T minus 6 is equal to 3.9825 which is equal to what? Okay, ano yung T natin? That is plus 6 lang. So, that is 9.9825. Okay, so this is at 1:09 p.m. Ngayon, ibabalik daw siya wherein surrounding temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Babalik siya daw doon. Okay? So, from 1:09 p.m. hanggang 1:15 p.m. Take note, ang ating theta na daw dito ay 35 degrees Celsius. Ayan, 35. Surrounding temperature, ibig sabihin, Newton's law of heating. Kanina, Newton's law of cooling. Ngayon, Newton's law of heating naman tayo. Papaitin natin yung body. Okay? So, mo 3.5 pa rin yan. Okay? Pero ang lang dito, ang implication lang is kulang yung data natin. Take note, ang kailangan natin is dalawang data. Ano lang bang meron sa atin? Okay? Kung iti-take into account natin yan, you have your x and then y. Okay, x for the time, y is your t minus theta. Kaya meron lang is yung 9 or 190 m. So that is, at time t equal to 0, yan yung magiging initial time natin. So yung ating temperature ay 9.9825 minus 35. Kasi yung theta natin ay 35. So ngayon, ang problema natin is ay nahanap na ngayon yung 15 minutes. Or at time t equal to 1:15 p.m. So ilan bang minutes yan after 15 minus 9? Okay, 6 minutes. Okay, at time t equal to 6 daw. Okay, so ang problema natin dito isang data. Okay, so therefore, kung isang data ang ano natin dito available, we will use your general formula. Okay, so your Newton's law of cooling and heating. So ito magkasama to. So that is EF is equal to yung theta natin, surrounding temperature plus the quantity PO minus theta multiplied by e raised to positive or negative 80. Okay? So, ano itong mga to? Okay, so for TF po, this is the final temp. Theta is surrounding temperature. PO is your initial temp. Okay, ano pa? Yung ating K, this is your heating constant or characteristic of your body. Heating or cooling constant, hindi yan nagbabago. And then yung T natin, this is your time. Okay, take note, may implication dito yung positive and negative. For cooling po, negative yung ating sa baba. Pero kapag heating naman po, positive. Okay, saan natin kukunin yung K? Okay, yun yung problema natin. Okay, so makukuha natin yung K from the previous table. Okay, since hindi nga naman siya nagbabago. Heating and cooling constant. So this is by your regression pa rin, pero of your letter B na. Okay? Paano natin makukuha ang regression sa ating calculator? Okay, so from your first table, so yung regression B natin is makukuha natin by pressing AC ulit, then shift, then 1 for the stat, regression is 5, then plus yung ating regressional constant. So AC, shift, stat, regression, okay, that is 2. Okay, so this is for your so ano na lang natin po, yung B natin, kunin natin, this is equal to this one, and store natin yan sa B na lang, okay, na letter, okay, so shift store, store na kayo yan, para dito itatype na lang natin siya, okay, so ang ating evaluate na will be equal to what, okay, 35, That's your surrounding temperature plus yung ating initial temperature nung pinasok natin siya, that is 9.9825 minus yung surrounding temperature multiplied by E raised to, take note, heating tayo, no? So this is raised to positive K. Ano yung K natin? Nasa pastor kay B multiplied by 6. 6 minutes kasi natin siyang papainitin. So this is now equal to 35 plus the quantity 9.9825 minus 35 multiplied by E raised to positive B times 6. So, press lang natin yung equal. So, this is 28.34. So, yun na po yung sagot natin. This is now your temperature. So, that is letter C, approximately. Pakipicturean na po. Part 1. Then, part 2. And then, part 3. Okay, next. Number 16 tayo. What is the degree of homogeneity of your ODE or ordinary differential equation xy dx plus x squared plus y squared plus multiplied by dy is equal to 0? Para malaman po yung degree of homogeneity natin, this is only for homogeneous equation. Kapag hindi siya homogeneous equation, walang homogeneity yan. Okay? So, para po malaman yung degree is that mag-multiply lang tayo ng k sa bawat variable natin. Okay? So, that is yung f of xy dati natin. F of xy dati natin, anong gagawin lang natin? Okay, mag-multiply lang tayo ng k dun sa x as well dun sa y. So, kx then ky. So, this is now equal to a raised to n multiplied by f of xy. Kapag i-factor out natin yung ating function dati, okay, meron tayong ma-factor out na a raised to n. Yung n natin dito, this is your degree, okay? Your degree of homogeneity. So, try natin. Okay, so that will become x. Okay, multiply lang natin si k. So, this is x times k. Okay, kx. Multiplied by y. Okay, so this is ky dx. Plus, okay, the quantity x squared. Ano yung x squared natin? So, that is kx po. This is the quantity squared. Plus, yung y natin. So, this will become ky, the quantity squared dy is equal to 0. Lahat ng x, lahat ng y, lagyan lang po natin ng k. Okay? This will become k squared xy dx plus the quantity k squared x squared plus k squared y squared multiplied by dy equal to 0. So, anong pwede natin ma-factor out? Yung ating k squared. So, k squared multiplied by xy dx plus x squared plus y squared dy. This is equal now to 0. Okay, dito na pumunta yon. Okay? So, ito na siya. Now, your degree of homogeneity is yung exponent ng k natin. So, that is equal to 2. So, that is having a degree of 2. Second degree of homogeneity. Okay? Next na tayo, number 17. Find the general solution of the Bernoulli's equation. dy dx minus y is equal to 2xy squared e raised to negative x. Kung ayaw nyo mag-Bernoulli's equation, pwede naman po dyan si Caltech. Okay? So, we will use yung kanina. Okay? So, mga nauna nating okay? Mga nauna nating LTE na example kanina. So, sige. Equate lang natin si dy dx. So, dy dx now is equal to 2xy squared e to the negative x plus y. Okay, calc lang natin. Since wala tayong limit, tayo magbibigay ng limit. So, x is equal to 0.69, then y equal to 0.2. Okay? So, this is 2xy squared e. So, shift ln to the negative x plus y. Okay, alpha y. Calc lang natin, x is equal to 0.69, then y is 0.2. So, ito yung hahanapin natin sa choices natin. And para dito, okay, dapat dito trial and error natin ito lahat. So, trial and error, all choices. Pero makapaglalabas nito si letter C. Okay? Pero make sure yung ating F dito will be equated to constant or 0. Okay? So, dapat naka-isolate si constant. Okay? So, this will become, okay, for letter C tayo na. So, C minus x squared times the quantity y is equal to e raised to x. So, isolate lang natin si c. So, this will become c minus x squared is equal to e to the x over y. Then, yan lang natin, lipat lang natin si x squared sa kabila. So, this will become c is equal to e to the x over y plus x squared. Yan yung ating ilalagay sa ating implicit na formula. Okay? So, therefore, y prime is equal to negative partial derivative with respect to x ng ating f, such that x is equal to lang. Ano to? 0.69. Tapos yung nandito sa baba, with respect to y naman. Such that yung y natin is 0. So, this will become negative partial derivative with respect to x ng ating function or yung e to the x over y natin plus x squared. Then, when x is equal to 0.69. Pero take note, yung y natin dito, constant. Okay? So, this will become 0.2. Okay? So, wag kakalimutan, no? Ayan. All over, partial derivative with respect to y, nung ating e to the x, pero x is constant dito sa baba. So, this is e to the 0.69 over y. 0.69. Yung aking nasubukat. Yan. Plus 0.69 squared. Such that y is equal to 0.2. Okay? Try na natin kung magpaparehas dito. So, negative fraction bar, partial derivative ng shift ln e to the x over 0.2 plus x squared such that x is equal to 0.69 all over partial derivative ng ating shift ln e to the 0.69 all over, take note, we are differentiating with respect to y. So, therefore, dito ay y or x na lang dito sa calculator. Then, plus 0.69, the quantity squared. So, this is 0.2. Okay, parehas ba? The answer is yes. Okay? So, hindi yan magpaparehas kay letter A, B, at saka D. Iba yung makukuha natin dyan. So, only C will get this one. Okay? So, wrong si letter A, wrong si letter B, wrong si letter D. Okay, kung gusto nyo i-check, pwede naman. Okay? Highlight ko lang yung mga napalitan dito na variable para alam natin kung paano tayo magta-type. Sige. Pakipicturean. Part 1. Then, part 2. Okay. Next na tayo. Number 18. Find the general solution of the ODE, d squared y over dx squared minus 4 dy dx minus 5y is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 3. So this is other higher order differential equation. So for higher order differential equation, marami po tayong kukunin dito. Okay, so your y now or your general solution will be equal to what? Your y of your complementary solution or yc plus yp or your particular solution. So paano po tayo kukuha ng yc? For yc muna po tayo. So equate natin yung ating mga derivative and equate natin yung derivatives natin and dependent variables with is equal to 0. So etong portion na to. So equate natin yan sa 0. So highlight natin ng blue. So this will become d squared y over x squared minus 4 dy dx minus 5y equal to 0. So then we will use your m operator. Okay? So this will become m squared minus 4m minus 5 is equal to 0. Yan. So pwede na tayo makakuha ng roots dito. So using your mode 5, 3 quadratic equation. Okay, makukuha natin yung dalawang roots. So that is mode 5, 3. Okay, so that is 1, negative 4, then negative 5. Okay, 5 at saka negative 1. So therefore, your y complementary is equal to c1 e to the 5x plus c2 e to the negative 1x or x na lang. From here, lahat sila merong ganun. Okay? Magkakaiba na lang sa saan? Sa particular solution. Okay? Dito kasi nag-iba. Okay? So, kunin natin yung yp natin o yung particular solution natin. Saan natin, for some portion yan? Sa lahat ng mga independent variables. So, ano yung mga independent variables natin? Ito. Okay? Yan. Pero take note, we will use your undetermined coefficients. So, dapat alam mo yung bawat term mo dito. Take note, this is a polynomial. Yung 2x mo dito, polynomial. Yung 3 mo dito, polynomial. So, therefore, yung yp natin will be a polynomial. Kung may trigo to, so gagamit tayo ng mga coefficients na may trigo. Okay? So, kung meron siyang exponential, gagamit tayo ng exponential. But since polynomial nga lang, yun na lang gamitin natin. And take note, naka-x squared ka. So, that is yp now will be equal to, so let's start with the highest degree. Okay, so that is ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, then kunin lang natin yung hanggang second derivative. Yan. Okay, second derivative, so yp prime is equal to 2ax plus b. And therefore, yp double prime, kunin natin yung second derivative, so that is 2a na lang. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dito? Okay? I-equate natin siya saan? Sa ating mga derivative dito sa nauna. Okay? So, this will become what? Okay? D squared y over dx squared is y double prime. So, that is 2a. Minus yung ating first derivative times 4. So, this is 4 multiplied by the quantity yp prime. So, that is 2a x plus b. Then, lastly, minus 5 multiplied by yung ating yp. Okay? So, move ko lang ito. Kasya kasi. Ayan. Okay, so this is ax squared plus bx plus c. Then, equate natin yan sa right side ng equation. So, x squared minus 2x plus 3. Ayan. So, anong gagawin na natin dito? Okay, mag-equating coefficients na tayo. So, equate natin yung coefficients ng bawat mga terms natin. Okay? So, take natin yung highest degree muna. So, we have x squared. Okay? So, equate natin yung coefficients niyan. So, this will become x squared. So, first term natin, wala. Okay? So, 2a kasi yan. Then, next, 4 or negative 4a times 2 times x. So, linear term lang yung makukuha natin dito. For 4b, so wala tayong x squared dyan. But for this term, yung susunod, which is negative 5 times ax squared, so meron po dyan. Okay, kunin lang natin yung coefficient ng x squared dyan. So this is negative 5a. Then, susunod, meron po ba dito sa bx? Wala. Then, for c, or negative 5c, so wala tayong x squared dyan. Then, let's go now to your right side. So, this is now equal to, okay, yung coefficient ng x squared dito is 1. Okay, so therefore, what's your a? That is negative 1/5. Okay, makukuha na natin yung value ng a dyan. So, for the next po, okay, so we have x raised to 1 or the linear term. Okay, so unahin natin si 2a ulit. Meron ba tayong nakikitang x dyan? Wala. Okay, for negative 4 times 2 times a times x, so meron po, may linear term ito. So, ano po ang coefficient natin dito? So, this is negative 8 times a. Then next, so negative 4b, wala tayong x dyan. Then, let's proceed to the next term, negative 5ax squared. Quadratic term na yun, nauna na yung kanina. Then next, we have plus bx times 5. Okay, take note, meron na tayong linear term ulit dito. Okay? So, yan na lang yung kunin natin. So, which is negative 5 times b. Okay? Then, for the c, wala rin po tayong x dyan, kaya skip na natin yan, which is equal now to x squared minus 2x plus 3. So, yung ating linear term dito, kunin lang natin yung coefficient, which is negative 2. Okay? So, ito siya. Then, solve for b na. Okay? So, negative 8 multiplied by, so take note, meron na tayong value ng a, which is negative 1 over 5. So, minus 5b is equal to negative 2. Okay, solve for b lang tayo. So, that is negative 8 times negative 1/5 minus 5x is equal to negative 2. So, shift solve for x. This is 0.72 or that is 18 over 25. Okay? So, meron na tayong A, meron na tayong B. Okay? Next, let's go now to x raised to 0 or your constants. Okay? So, unahin natin yung first term. This is 2a. Next term, negative 4 times b. Constant rin yan. So, negative 4b. Then, dito sa susunod, okay, negative 5c. Then, this is now equal to, okay, yung constant dito sa right side, that is 3. Okay, solving for c na tayo. So, this will become 2 times negative 1 over 5 minus 4 multiplied by 18 over 25 minus 5c is equal to 3. So, what's your c now equal to? Solve for c. Okay, type lang natin. 2 times negative 1 minus 4 times 18 over 25 minus 5 times c is equal to 3. If solve for x. Negative 1.256 or in fraction form, that is negative 157 over 125. Okay, so buo na yung ating general solution. So y now is equal to complementary solution, which is c1 e to the 5x plus c2 e to the negative x plus natin yung particular solution natin. Take note, ito siya. Ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? So, unahin natin si a. So, that is negative 1/5 times x squared. So, this is minus the quantity x squared over 5. Then, plus, okay, 18 over 5 or 18 over 25 times yung ating linear term na x. Then, minus 157 over 125. So, ito na siya. So, hanapin natin yan sa choices and that will give you letter A. So, negative 1 over 5, 18 over 25, then negative 157 over 25. So, itong buong to. Ayan, letter A. So, yan. Letter A. Number 80, part 1. Then, part 2. Ayan. So, since hindi na kaya ng time, so picturean na lang po natin yung mga solution, then i-transfer nyo na lang sa notes. Okay? Para makapag-internalize ng mga problem. Okay? So, let's have number 19. Okay? Number 19, letter D, part 1. So, after 3 seconds lang, no? Dilipat ko na. Next part. Then, next part. Then, next part. Medyo mahaba-haba to kasi second order. Then, next part. So, dog yung sagot dito. Okay, next, number 20, cut. 21, boy, part 1. Next, part 2. Okay, next tayo, number 22. Part 1. Apple. Apple yung sagot. Next, part 2. Next, part 3. Okay, next, number 23. Boy, part 1. Next, number 24, dog. Part 1. Then part Next, number 25, part 1. Cut. Cut po yung sagot. Next, number 26, dog. Part 1, then part 2. Number 27, apple, part 1. Next, number 28, apple, part 1. Next, part 2. Next, part 3. Next, number 29, part 1. Cut yung sagot dito, no? Cut. Next, part 2. Next, number 30, boy ang sagot. B, boy, part 1, then part 2. Okay, next na tayo. Number 31. Okay, boy, part 1. Full tank lang naman. So, ito lang yung solution niya. Okay, next. Number 32, cut. Number 32, cut, part 1. Next, okay, next na tayo. Number 33. Okay, boy yung sagot. Mode 3-5 lang yan. Next, number 34, dog. This is by DF passing to Fury. Next, number 35, dog. So this is using circuit analysis, AC. Bakit AC? Kasi yung ating source is sinusoidal. Okay. Dog yung sagot. Number 35. Next, number 36, boy. Part 1, then part 2. Okay, next, number 37, dog. Dito na rin yung proof kung bakit trigonometric siya. Okay, next, number 38.
Yes.
So this is by dream force passing through Curie. So this is letter D, dog. Number 39. Okay. So yung kanina, yung partial derivative ito. Pero take note, naka-regions dapat kayo. This is letter B, boy. Part 1. Then part 2. Next, number 40. Cut yung sagot. Make sure naka-region pa rin kayo dito kasi may sign. Trigonometric function. Part 1. Then part 2. Next, number 41. So, kapag stream force passing through, mag-fill yan. Okay, so it's either letter A or letter C yung sagot. So, another conventional way yung pwede dito. By implicit. Yung katulad ng ginagawa natin kanina. Next part. Okay, number 42. Boy. So, dapat pong mauna yung real part natin dito, no? Kasi siya lang yung totoong number. Okay? So, dapat yung A natin is 0.818. Letter B. Boy. Next. Number 43. Dog. Exponential growth and decay. Next. Number 44. Exponential growth and decay. Dog. Mode 35. Next. Number 45. Cat. Next. Number 46. Apple. Part 1. Part 2. Okay. Number 47. Dog. So this is using intercept form. Mas madali kasi makita yung intercepts dito. Okay? Dog yung sagot dito. Next, number 48. Boy. Number 48, boy. 49, 1 and 3 only. Take note. Yung number 2 kasi may or may not. Okay? It should be free. Okay? Free from any arbitrary constant. Always. Okay? So, 1 and 3 lang yung tama. Next, number 50. 3 only. Take note, trigonometric function ito. Okay, that ends our differential equations quiz lecture. So, sana may mga panibago kayo natutunan. God bless all of